Hello everyone, let's see how to replace one word with another in Excel formula. So here you can see I have data. The original takes apple juice, red apple. You can see in this list apple word here showing. So here I'm going to replace apple with orange. Okay, so let's see how it's done. Select the cell, use the is equal to, type here substitute function. Okay, select here the substitute function, then select the A2, then use the comma, double quote, type apple, then double quote, again comma, double quote, type orange, then double quote, bracket closed, and enter. And it's done. You can see here the apple juice, here the orange juice showing. So select the cell and double click on the field handle, and you can see here the data field below the cell. You can see apple showing here the orange. So one word here replaced with the another word. So that's it. And here the one bonus tips. So bonus tips here. So here I'm going to replace year 2005 to 2026. You can see in all cell 2005 here showing. So select the cell is equal to, again I use the same function substitute, and here select the A2, then comma double quote 2025, then double quote comma, again double quote 2026, double quote bracket closed, and enter. Now I select the cell, double click on the field handle, and you can see here all 2025 replace with 2026. Okay, so this is a way you can replace the number also. And one more bonus tips here. And here replace dash with the slash. You can see in original date showing the dash. So here I replace with the slash. Select the cell is equal to, type the same function substitute. In bracket, type the text function, select the text function. Then in bracket, select the date cell A2. Then comma, double quote, double D, then dash dash YY, then double Y, 4 times Y, years, like double quote, then bracket closed, then comma, double quote, dash, double quote, comma, double quote, slash, double quote, then bracket closed, and enter. And that's it. You can see replace dash with slash. Select the cell, double click on the field handle, and you can see the data field below the cell. So hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.